Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I forgot to I just didn't vlog anymore. And I didn't end out my video. So I guess this is gonna be like a couple of days in one video, I guess. So I'm feeling a little bit better from yesterday. I know the last time I talked to you guys, I was telling you guys about I got some results from the doctor that my beta levels are now back to 1. They're back to normal, which means that the ectopic pregnancy has been dissolved. I will go see her in a couple of weeks just to make sure that everything is gone. So we're going to do an ultrasound when I go back and see her, just to make sure that they don't see anything, make sure that there's no underlying problems or anything. So we're going to do that. Hold on, my son won. Oh, focus. There we go. Okay, so I was working and still packing, so I'm doing both at the same time. I'm really proud of myself though, you guys. I'm all caught up on laundry, so I have to fold. I have a lot to fold and a lot to sort. So I was thinking that we would do a fold and chat today. I don't know what we're gonna talk about, but I just thought it'd be fun to do a fold and chat with me. I haven't done one of those in a while. I got my son here and he's a bit clingy, especially now because he just woke up. So we're gonna see how this goes. But I wanted to do a fold and chat with you guys. I haven't done one in so long, and I just want to talk to you guys. So yeah, let's do that today. Pretty much all packed up, but I have a lot of clothes to fold, you guys. Like, it's been so much going on, and with everything that would happen, I kind of slipped into a little depression and wasn't doing laundry or anything. So when I did, my fiance helped a lot on laundry, but with him working, it was only so many loads he could do when he got home. So by the time I did snap out of it, I literally had loads on loads of laundry, you guys. I mean, it literally took me 3 days to get caught up. And that was like washing, drying, repeat. And then at a certain time of the night, I was like, you know what? I'm done. F that laundry. F that laundry. That's exactly what I said. Forget that laundry, okay? I wasn't doing it. So yeah. So we go through about a load or less a day. I've just I do a load a day, so that way I don't get backed up. So today I'm doing the laundry that was left over from yesterday. Right now I just really have baskets to fold because I'll do laundry, but I haven't folded it, so I'm gonna fold today though, and I want to bring you guys with me to do that and just chat. Story time, quick story time, you guys. It's really short too. Went to Sam's Club. Why the cashier think I was 7? Like, y'all, if y'all would see me in person, y'all would see I'm really short. I'm like 4'9". I'm really, really short, so I'm really small. So people, usually think I'm a kid. But I never got 7 before, okay? The youngest I think I've got was like 15 or 16, but I've never got 7. So it was March, and it was around the time that, I was going through what I was going through. And I had just got out the hospital, and my fiance needed to go to the store. Well, with the medicine that I was on, he wasn't supposed to leave me. He wasn't supposed to leave me, and he was scared to leave me by myself while he went to the store because, I wasn't supposed to be alone, or he didn't want to leave me alone or whatever. So I go with him, and we go to Sam's Club so he can get some stuff for work. And we decided to, the kids was with my parents, and we decided to get, I don't know if you guys been to Sam's Club, but at Sam's Club, they got these pretty playhouses, and they're supposed to go outside. Well, I'll show you guys. I gotta clean my kids' room first because I don't just film and my house is a mess. I don't just show all my life. I don't want y'all to think yeah. So my kids, they got toys all over the place in there, that's their room. So they playing in there, so I'm not gonna go clean up right now, but maybe when I go clean, I'll show you guys. But anyways, back to start. So Sam's Club got these pretty little playhouses, and they're like wooden houses, and you put them up outside. So we was like, oh, we should get that for the kids. When we go pick them up, they'll be excited. They'll have that. And so we was like, we got it. And after we do all of our shopping and all that, we get in line, and the cashier is this old white lady. And she says, "Ooh, you got something nice, huh?" And I was like, "That's for my kids." And she, like, the look on her face, it was just like all the color drained from her face. She was really embarrassed. She was like, oh my God, my bad. And I'm just like, I get all the time that I look like I'm a kid, but I ain't never got 7. And so before we left, as my fiance was paying, she leaned in and she's like, I am so sorry. I did not mean to assume that you were 7 years old. And I was like, well, damn, 7? Oh, Lord Jesus. I was like, 7? Oh, Lord Jesus. Y'all. I was like, oh, it's okay. I get it all the time. I mean, I get that I'm, but I ain't never got 7. And, yeah, I was just like, I was dazed and confused for a while, y'all. I was like, 7? How the hell she gets 7? Like, do you not see all these grays up in my head? What 7-year-old just walking around with gray hairs? Like, I got some grays, y'all. I need to cover them up. But I'm like, do you not see all these grays up in here? Do you not see these bags and these wrinkles all over my face? Like, 7-year-old's face is tight. Like, do you not see these bags under here from no sleep? Do you not see these wrinkles? Where you get 7? I think sometimes people just be talking to hear themselves talk. Because I don't know who in their right mind, even how short I am, would get 7. But it happens often, y'all. Like, I'll be in the store when I do go out, and people be telling my fiance, oh my God, you have so many kids. And I'm just like, I bet they're including me in as one of his damn kids. It's ridiculous, y'all, but I just roll with the punches. I'm still shocked on that today. I told my daughter about it. It gave her a good laugh. It gave her a good laugh. Because she's 10 and she's almost taller than me. She gets a kick out of that. She's like, oh, Mom, just a few more inches. She's literally like, I want to say to my shoulder. And she's literally like, Mom, just a few more inches. And I'm almost there. And I'm just like, you don't get away from me. If you don't get away from me with this few more inches. But I love my babies. But other than that, yeah, and this was a long video. But I folded all my clothes. So now I'm about to just go ahead and put my clothes away, go feed my baby some lunch, and relax. So this video is over for today. It's already like it's at 26 minutes. So I'm sure I'm going to have to chop this down a little bit because that's a long video. But I love you guys so much. I will catch you in my next video. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys in my next one.
Tuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you